Nadine here, and today I wanted to share with you the Seamoss and elderberry premium gummies here. I opened this before and they smell incredible. So this is from Bio Vatalica here, and they are premium gummies here, and they have zinc, vitamin C, vitamin D, burdock, and bladder wrack. They support your immune system, antioxidant formula, and as I do have a thyroid problem here, these do support the thyroid. Are GMO free and vegan, gluten free, and they are made in the USA. They have 60 gummies in here, dietary supplement, and what you do is take 1 to 3 gummies every day with a meal, and they're going to help you with get everything that you need to get done. They have Seamoss gel, elderberry gel, bladder rock, and burdock root here, and they have a few other ingredients that actually make up the gummy, including pectin. So since these are 100% vegan, then they don't use gelatin in the gummy. They use pectin instead to turn it into a gummy, which is pretty cool for me. I like that. They do have your 210% vitamin D, zinc, and vitamin C, and all the vitamins that you do need. Let's open it up and take a look at these gummies. Ooh, this is the gummy right here, and frankly, I like the red. These do smell incredible. Let's try one out. Texture is good. Taste is awesome. We got candy right here. So they do have a great flavor, and they're going to be very easy to take. They are not too soggy or soft. They just have enough of that feeling to actually be pleasurable when taking these, to get all the benefits of this, and you're going to get a little treat at the same time. I do love this, and this is going to be a pretty cool addition to my diet here.